Whole orange and hazelnut cake. Boil the oranges until soft. When cool enough to handle, cut the oranges into quarters, remove any pips or stalk pieces, put into a food processor and blitz until smooth. Whisk the eggs and sugar together until thick and moussey. Mix the baking powder with the hazelnuts and fold into the egg mixture. Add the orange pulp and fold that in too. Pour into a prepared tin and cook for 50 minutes. Cool for about 15 minutes in the tin, then remove the tin and cool on a wire rack until cold. Dust with icing sugar to serve. This cake has a deliciously strong orange flavour and can be served plain with coffee or crème fraîche, yoghurt or cream for dessert.